Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, printer. In front of me, HP Ink Tank Wireless 410 series printer. And now I'm gonna show you how to connect, not how to connect, but how to print using your printer using the iPhone. Okay, so first, what we need to know, we can print using two ways. First way, using Wi-Fi Direct, and the second way, using the HP Smart application or just network. So, in the first way, you need to connect your iPhone to the Wi-Fi Direct network. iPhone doesn't support Wi-Fi Direct, but this printer sharing not only Wi-Fi Direct network, but normal Wi-Fi too, with one difference. If you want to connect to the normal Wi-Fi network, you need to provide the password. You need to use Android device with Wi-Fi Direct feature if you want to connect without the password to your printer. But if you want to connect to this printer using the iPhone, you need to provide the password. By default, your password from your printer is 123456778. And as you can see, I am successfully connected. And of course, you need to enable Wi-Fi Direct feature. It's here. So click on it. When light will white, you will be able to connect. So great. If you want to check the password from your Wi-Fi Direct in the open web server, then click Network, click Wi-Fi Direct, Status, and here you will see. Here you will see the password from your Wi-Fi Direct. But if you have set up your printer with the network, if your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi router, and your printer is visible in the network, so I will remove it. You can print without Wi-Fi Direct. So just open the document you want to print, click print, scroll down, print, wait a while, click printer, and find here your HP Ink Tank Wireless, click print, wait a while, and great, the page was successfully printed, and that's it. So if you have this error message on your screen, just click on the cancel button. Great. Then if you want to print using HP Smart application, you need to install HP Smart application. Then scroll left, here click setup and or add to HP Smart, and click complete now, not get started, but complete now. Find here your HP Ink Tank. Okay, click on it. As you can see here, you have settings of your printer, and here you have shortcuts, fax, print photos, documents, and other features. For example, click camera scan, click OK. For example, I will take a photo. So great, as you can see, I have taken a photo, and click next. No thanks. Now click print review, retrieving paper size info. So maybe it's not good idea, because it will take a while printing this photo, because it contains a lot of information, and this is ink printer, not the laser printer, so it will take several minutes. So I will not do it now, but I think you have understood the algorithm of printing. So exit. Oh sheesh, so sorry. Add image. Go home. Great. Print documents. You can print documents, print photos. You can use shortcuts, for example. So just shortcuts. Here you can create shortcuts to fast print needed documents. For example, you can add your schablons for your work, or for example, to-do list, your or another schablon, and quick print with shortcuts. You have print tables here with shortcuts too. For example, open print tables, and here you have many shortcuts for every day. For example, you can print the calendar list. So just click print, review and print. HP tank, maybe not January. Okay. Oh, okay. So I don't want to print all calendar. So for example, I want to print this this print. So HP ink tank, print copies 1, 2, if you want, black and white, print. Wait for it, and so now I have an error of printing from print tables. I don't know why, but as you can see, my application is freezing. So it's a problem of my HP Smart application on the iPhone. So in this way you can print documents. With documents, I think you will not have the problems. You can print any documents from the Google Drive, so you can connect your Google Drive for this printer and connect any documents from the Google Drive. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.